guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A very happy new year. I know it is very late, not too much late we can say, but yes, we are in January and a very happy new year, a new 2021. Actually, the thing was I had made a video which was about to go on at the end of the 2020, which was at the last day of 2020, but because of my overthinking and all kind of stuff, I didn't upload it, and because I regret it as well. But still, it's never too late. Plus, I was a little bit offline from these YouTube and sometime from some Instagram as well, because something good had happened. And I really think that when it is something good is happening, we really need to enjoy, we really need to invest our whole time in it, and that is sometimes okay, having a break from other thing as well. So yes, so this video I will be talking about some of the resolutions that you need to add up on your 2021. We can't say it as a resolution, but I can definitely say that some of my sayings, some of my experience, some of my words that you really need to understand, really need to register in your mind for your 2021, because if at all you would be keeping these things in your mind, your 2021 will be superb, because the most important thing is having a self-confidence within us, within yourself, which is little bit going down nowadays, like with every human being. So yes, do watch this whole video because it will be really helpful, and I'm sorry for the late. Number one thing is never settle for something less than you deserve. Yes, guys, actually the thing is हम बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हैं किसी thing के बारे में, बहुत ज़्यादा passionate हो जाते हैं, but still we think that no, let it be, this is something we deserve. No, not at all. In this 2021, take those myths away from your mind कि इतना ही हम deserve करते हैं, we are, till this much only we think we can get and all kind of stuff. No, not at all. You deserve much more and much more. It's only your hard work, your dedication towards your passion or something else as well. Do not let somebody's negative thought make you, your present, your future disturb so much that you may regret it ki why did I made those things registered in my mind. So yes, never ever settle yourself with less than you deserve. Tip number 2 that you need to understand and you need to register in your mind is love yourself first. Like खुद से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करो, else than making other people happy, or making your work, keeping it very much ahead in your life. Make yourself the first priority, because you really matter to yourself, like really. From your health to your passion to what you love to what you not love to, whom you need to make yourself, whom you need to let other people enter in your life, and whom you really need to deduct, you need to detach with, you need to understand that. And the most important thing is love yourself. Give yourself a time, maximum time in understanding yourself, maximum time in exercising, maximum time in getting best out of yourself, because the coming years or the coming time, the coming seconds, you will be with yourself, nobody else in this world. So just remember that key, make yourself the best part of your life, the best thing to love and to appreciate always. So the third important thing is always in any relationship, always look at both the sides of the coins. Like yes, coins, yeah. So yes, do not think that you only are the correct person, you only is right, you are absolutely right, you can't do any mistake kind of stuff. No, you are wrong in this manner. Always try to look at both the situation of a person from your perspective as well, from other parties' perspective as well. Because if once you will be doing these things, you will understand that yes, there is a mutual understanding in between the two peoples. There are less fights, there are more of love, friendship, and communication that will build trust, and you guys will be both happy in any relationship, in any work life. Do not always think that no, I am only right, or what I have thought, what I have seen, what I have heard is only the conclusion, it's only the end part. Do not make a summary or a conclusion part by just listening to one party. Always look both the sides of the coins. Remember that. Coming to the fourth important point is 2020 has taught you that life is unpredictable. Like life has never ever promised you the next seconds of your life, the next minutes of your life, the next day in your life as well. So you cannot wait. Do not wait at all for confessing anything, for doing something that you love, or because one time the time is gone, you'll never get it back. You'll never understand the worth of any moment, any time period, any person unless and until it's a memory, it has become a memory. So So yes, do not wait for that perfect time to share something, to tell something to your loved ones. Just go and tell. जो होना है वो होके ही रहेगा. If at all not today, then tomorrow as well. But do not have those regret in yourself that, you know, kash bol diya hota kind of stuff. Like, no, 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 don't keep it at yourself. Just speak it out and let those things go from your heart, go from your things, like, you know, you have said it kind of stuff. The fifth important thing that I will surely say you is never ever underestimate yourself. Never ever underestimate your own thought. Never do overthinking, that sometimes I also do because of the social media life. We always tend to do. We always tend to doubt ourselves, our talent, our, you know, our self-worth, that do we really deserve this, or, you know, we really deserve this only, this much only, or, you know, we cannot do much. People, you know, we try to demotivate ourselves because nobody other third person has ever appreciated us or ever appreciated our work, we can say. But the thing is, always remember that whatsoever battle you have fought by yourself. You have not taken anybody's help, or nobody has ever fought it for yourself. It's just you. It was just you only, and it will be always you only. So others never know how much struggle you have come up, you know, the hard work, the patience, the every kind of emotional times, the weakest part of your life, they have not seen. They might be commenting hundreds of the shits because they might not be capable of doing those stuff, and, you know, they would be very much happy to demotivate others, and that's something is really very much, you know, you'll get to see those kind of people. But yes, always remember that you need to be positive in yourself. You need to be so much trusting yourself that no matter what people say, it must not affect you. If at all it might affect you as well, it must be little, for a little time period only. For the larger time period, don't make it as a you know, don't keep those negative things towards you, you know, attaching you for in your heart for a longer period, because it will ruin your life. It will, you know, destroy everything that you have today. So yes, do not go for people's opinion, people's thought and all kind of stuff. Just trust yourself. If you think that you can do it, just show them, or, you know, prove yourself for you that you can do it, not for any third party. So yes, I just hope this video was really helpful, and I really wanted to drop it out on 31st of 2020. But yes, it because of some things it got late. But yes, I'm really back on the track again. So I just hope you like this video. And if at all you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones or with whom you think so that they need to watch this video, and add some positive vibes in their life as well, add some positivity in themselves as well. So yes, like karna, share karna, comment karna, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.